Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your login credentials on the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. Now, when you try to open the Cash App application, you will be asked to enter your PIN or your biometric to log in. If you have forgotten your PIN, then there is still one way by which you can reset your account. In order to do this, long press on the Cash App application and then tap on the info button. You will then be taken into the Cash App application info page. Now from this page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application has been stopped, tap on storage and then tap on the clear data button at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to clear all of your user data. Once your user data has been cleared, when you open up the Cash App application, you will be asked to log into your account once again using your phone number or your email address. After entering your phone number or your email address, you will be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to you. After entering this verification code, you will once again be allowed to set up a new PIN for your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your login credentials on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.